Hello, how do you do? Okay, hey guys, it's Say, and today I will be doing an unboxing video. And I'm super excited for this because I have a plant obsession. As you can see, this is not even like there's a lot. It's a problem. So I got this from Etsy. It's from the Little Jungle. I guess that's their brand. I got it in the mail today. This is just some of the plants that I got. One of the plants that I got, rather. So I'm going to unbox it because I feel like buying plants online is kind of scary and I've never done it before. So this is my first time. So I thought I'd share my experience and let you know how things go. So let's begin. So starting off, I already opened it because I couldn't contain myself. Okay, so she said, thank you. You're very welcome. Well, we have to see if you're welcome. Okay, so starting off, it looks like this on the inside. A lot of tissue paper. I don't really know how I'm supposed to remove this. So I'm just kind of gonna... Oh, it's in there. It's in there. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere, everyone. Like I said, this is from the Little Jungle, and I'm super excited. We're getting some different angles in for you guys. So I'm just carefully trying to remove it out of this. It's a really tiny pot. Oh, I forgot to tell you what it is. It's hold on. It's a Hoya Crimson Princess. Shout out to my cameraman, Greg, aka my boyfriend, and my sound man, Angel, aka my roommate, sorta, thing. My next door neighbor. Do you guys see this? I'm so happy. What? I've never been so happy before. Just kidding. Greg, you make me happy, but you're not a plant like this. I don't know how to get you out. You poor baby. Okay. Did you see it? I'm so happy. Ooh, sorry. Got a potty mouth. Gotta blurt that out. It's gotta be PG. So you can show me in biology class. Okay guys, we're almost there. And here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, so this is my first Hoya. I don't have any Hoyas, so I'm really excited to start with the pink one. And I just want you to see how beautiful this pink leaf is, because I'm so happy. I feel so flustered I can just pass out right now. I love you, plant! Look at the pink leaf! So they love sun and water. I heard it's a good beginner plant. I mean, they don't love water. They don't love water. But I mean, plants all love water, but they don't. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I get the rest.